Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our Ford Fiesta Zetec. This car comes with the 1.1 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, returning up to 64 miles per gallon. An insurance group of 5, so it's ideal for new drivers, and the mileage is just over 27,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is called Deep Impact Blue and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage. As we have a look inside, the Zetec comes well equipped. So first of all, you've got the really supportive seats there, which are in great condition. A couple of drink holders there in the centre as well. Onto the dashboard, you've got your large touchscreen there in the middle for your DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has air conditioning, cruise control there on the steering wheel, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card, you've got your mirror controls as well as your 2 front windows. Being the 5-door version, you have good access there into the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and I did spot earlier, rear passengers have a USB port and a drinks holder there in the centre. And I see that the car's still got the original carpet floor mats from Ford as well, so that's good to see. As we open the rear tailgate on the Fiesta, you've got the really deep boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you have some extra storage as well as your inflator kit there as well. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights and also the 15-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.